Hey YouTubers, it's the Hacker Pollock here. Hope you can enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. Today we're going to be making hobo coffee. You're going to need a glass, hot water, piece of a paper towel, and a rubber band. First thing you're going to want to do is take the cup, put the paper towel in it, make sure there's like an indent, then take the rubber band. Next thing you're going to want to do is take your coffee beans, with your coffee beans, you're going to want like a scoop per glass, like a spoonful. So put a spoonful of coffee in there. And all you have to do is pour hot water over it. And there you have it, coffee being made. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. Be sure to post any ideas in the comments below. I'll be sure to check them out.